Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'll be teaching you how to make your own litter box. I found my container box at Walmart for about $8.99. You're going to want to draw a line around the area you would like to cut. I use also a lighter to make the precision a little bit sharper. If you're a beginner, I suggest you to wear gloves, use a box cutter or a knife or whatever you prefer. So after you cut, you're going to want to apply tape and make sure it's nice and smooth on the edges so the cats don't cut themselves. And it's up to you if you want to double or triple tape them. We just put one layer of tape and that just seems to work. And that's basically it for your own litter box. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it reduces the smell and it reduces the dust from the litter, and yeah, it's a good way to save some money. That way you don't have to spend $20 on a Petco litter box. And yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and share it if you found this informative and you think other people could use this video. Thank you very much.